Do you want to start a home-based business? Well, now might be the best time to do that. Want to know more? Watch this video. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. So are you looking to start a home-based business? Well, now is probably the best time to do it. There's so many people that are now working from home. This is a great opportunity for you to get online and start a business. Maybe one reason why you want to start your own business is maybe you're not happy with your current employer or your current situation. There's nothing more frustrating than having to work for someone else when you can very well just take the reins and have control of your own destiny. Another reality is that there's probably a lot of us out there that have no choice but to start our own business. In these recent economic times, there's been some economic collapse, crashing of the economy, COVID pandemic. So many of us have lost our jobs and secure employment. What better way than to take control and start your own business and start determining your own future? Another benefit of starting your own business is you have more free time. You're not at the beck and call of your employer. Your time is the time you put in, and the time off that you want is the time off that you can get. Another thing is you can be able to set your own goals for your business and what your plan of the future is. So often we're told what's going to happen to us, or we're told what's going to happen with our jobs or our position, and we don't really get a say in that. This is one way for you to be able to take control and make some decisions about your own future. And of course, I think the best part about working as your own boss is you can go to work in your pajamas if you want. I'm sure a lot of us have taken advantage of those Zoom meetings and working remotely that we have been in our pajamas from time to time. But why not do it on your own terms? If you want to sleep in, if you want to just grab your laptop and go sit on the couch and do work there, that's fine. You can do that as an owner of your own business. A home-based business is still a lot of work. There's no one way around it. It takes a lot of effort to put it in, and sometimes you don't see much income until you're pretty far along in the process. But if you keep working at it, there's a real possibility that you can get ahead. And to help get you boost getting ahead, I really want to recommend checking out Entre Institute. There's information about them on our website at HindeSights.com. They have a great program designed to help you move forward with either affiliate marketing, a digital agency, or online training business. And to be honest, they have given so much insight to so many of their students that it takes years to cultivate all that information. Hours upon hours of research looking online for pieces of information that's all given to you in some really succinct courses. Another great benefit they have is peer mentoring groups, social networks. They also provide one-on-one coaching. And this is over-the-shoulder training that you're not going to get anywhere else. It's a huge boost to be able to get ahead of your game in starting your own business. There's so many great insights to the things that I wish someone would have told me when I started my business, and I'm sure others are probably wishing they would have known too. So again, HindeSights.com, look at the resources tab under training, learn more about Entre Institute. So is there any question about it? I think starting a home business is a great idea, and I hope you do too. So check out more resources, HindeSights.com. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.